Our famous African American researcher is Benjamin O. Davis, Jr. He was an important person in history. His birth date was on December 18, 1912, and he died on July 4, 2002. He was an airman and even one of the first black generals in history. Davis changed history with so many doings. What happened in Davis's life? Davis's life was really difficult because he was a black man. However, he made it through his hard life through determination and willpower. It was difficult because barely anyone would let him participate in various Air Force activities he wanted to do. Davis's father's name was Benjamin O. Davis. As you can see, it is without Jr. at the end. Davis's father was a U.S. Army recruit and was at one point stationed in Wyoming serving in an all-black cavalry. Davis himself graduated from the United States Military Academy in 1936. In his room in the academy, he never had a roommate. Davis was the fourth black graduate from the United States Military Academy ever. Davis got married after he graduated to Agatha Scott. His life was very important. There are many famous people in the world. Famous usually means important. Important is the way we are using it in Davis's situation. Davis is really important because he was the first African American general in the United States Air Force. He was also famous because he persevered and was a determined person to fly. Most importantly, he never gave up and kept going until he got it, going on and on and on. He finally got it. So he was famous because he was a determined person that never gives up. You'd think a person that has so much perseverance and is as smart as Davis was that he would not have any awkward problems, but he did. Along with all kinds of other famous people, he had a few serious problems. Just because a person is famous, you can't assume that they had no problems in their life. You know why? Because no one is perfect, and a person can have over thousands of problems in their lives. Now, let's get to Davis. Back then, this was a problem for many people, including Davis, being black. His problems with being black have many varieties of things he can't do. One problem is where he applies for Army Air Corps but gets rejected. Another is where his classmates in the United States military ignore him and don't talk to him. At least now, blacks are free like whites and can do what whites do while everyone is still equal in rights. Here are some character traits that describe how he ignored one's color of skin and focused on being free to do what job he wants to do. Flying. Strong. Davis is strong because he fights for what's right and is a very strong man to be a general. Desperate. Davis is desperate because he was urging to be able to be a black pilot and fly. Persevere. Davis has perseverance because he kept trying and trying and trying to be able to fly, and he finally got it. Intelligent. Davis was intelligent because he had the knowledge to do what he wants to do. Be a general, and generals have to be smart. As the conclusion, here are a few things we learned from this true text about Benjamin Oliver Davis, Jr. 1. To always be perseverant, never give up. 2. To try your best and rely on yourself. 3. To do what you want to do if you have an opportunity to do it. Jobs, school, other things. Then Benjamin Oliver Davis Jr. would want us all to always believe in yourself.